What's up, traders? In less than 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create a trading robot with your mobile phone using AI. Now, I get this question a lot. I don't have a personal computer. I want to create a trading robot. Can I make use of my mobile phone? And the answer is yes, you can make use of a mobile phone. I've created a video previously on how you can create a trading robot using your mobile phone. But today, this one is structured on how you can use AI to create a trading robot with your mobile phone. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, ensure you subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to check up on me. And ensure you like this video so that other people can get to see this video, and also ensure you share this video with your fellow traders so they can get to learn one or two things from this video. And also, I'll be giving out this trading robot for free, so ensure you send me a DM on my WhatsApp, which I'm going to drop the number in this video, so ensure you watch it till the end. And yeah, subscribe please, subscribe please. And also, what else? Yeah, I'm not going to waste too much of our time, so let's just go straight into the video. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to, you need three things. Number one is your prompt. Okay, you need your prompt. Number two is you need a VPS subscription, and number three is you need this application here. Okay, this application here, you can download it on the Play Store. You can see it, Windows app. You can download it on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. So this is the application that you are going to log in your VPS and details into. Okay, this is the application you are going to use to log in your VPS details into. This application is more like when you are operating a personal computer on your mobile phone. Okay, so that is what this application does. Gives you the access to operate a personal computer on your mobile phone. So your prompt too, you need your prompt. Your prompt is your strategy. Your prompt includes your strategy, everything you want the trading robot to do. Okay, that is what your prompt entails. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating a bullish engulfing candle and a bearish engulfing candle pattern. Okay, which we are going to be trading on gold on 15 minutes time frame. And also, yeah, some of the risk management: 800 pips stop loss, 1500 pips take profit. Okay, the lot size, filters, with moving average, buy and sell filters, trend actually, and also ATR filter for it. So yeah, so this is the prompt. So you need a prompt. So the next thing you want to do is to open this VPS application, this Windows application rather. I've created a video on my channel on how you can log in your VPS details. Okay, your VPS details. I've created a video on my channel. I'll tag the video in this video. Okay, I'll add the screenshot so you can watch that video. It will guide you on how you can log in your details on this application. And also the VPS subscription you need, you can get a VPS subscription for as low as $2.6 or $3 thereabouts. I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can get the VPS from my provider or from anyone. So this is the VPS. We've logged into the VPS using this application. You can see it using this application, which is Windows app. Okay, so this is more like you operating a computer on your phone. So this comes with a Google Chrome, okay, an MT4 terminal, and also an MT5 terminal for you to do everything you want to do. So what we are going to do now is we are going to open this Google Chrome. Okay, so it's going to open now. All right, so we've opened the Google Chrome. So the next thing we want to do is let's copy our prompt. Let's copy our prompts. Okay, let's copy our prompts here. Let's just select all and then we copy. Okay, once we copy it, we go back to the VPS on the Google Chrome. Then we go to Claude.ai. Okay, that's it. So we go to the site. Okay, so once we go to the site, the next thing we want to do is we want to paste in our prompt that we have copied. Okay, we want to paste in our prompt. So I'm using an Android phone, so it makes it easier it's going to make it much more easier for me to log in. To paste. Let me see. I want to cancel what is showing right here. I don't want to upgrade now. Okay, so let's paste in our prompt. Okay, paste in our prompt. Okay, we've pasted in our prompt. Let's wait for it to show up. Now, good. So the next thing we want to do is we just click on the arrow below. Let's scroll down. You see this arrow here? Let's click on it. Right. So if you need a video on how to navigate the application properly, effectively, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to create a video on how you can navigate this application so that you can get the best out of it. So now let's wait and let's get the response from the AI. Okay. All right, so we've gotten some response. Okay, it says I'll build this fresh per your exact spec. Okay, so we are testing this on code, like I said. So let's check out for the codes. Okay, here is the code. Okay, here is the code. All right, so here is the code. Nice. So let's see. So we're going to copy this code and then compile it to see if it's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so let's copy this code first. Yeah, you can see this part here. Copy, click on copy. Okay, don't know why that closed. Let's go back. We click on copy here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to go and open our MT5 terminal. These are MT5 terminal. Let's open it. Let's open our MT5 terminal. Okay, so we've opened our MT5 terminal. So the next thing we're going to do now is we click on this icon that says IDE. So this icon, okay, it will open the meta editor. Okay, we are going to paste in our code and do the rest of the work. So that's it. So it has opened. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this button here that says new. Okay, we click on new, then we select expert advisor generate. Expert advisor generate. So yeah, we're going to input any name we want. Let's just say can do pattern. Okay, that's the name of the EA we want to use. Okay, so the next thing is you click on add. Once you click on add, you click on okay, click on next, click on next again, you click on finish. That's all. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to delete all these codes here. We don't need them. We're going to delete all of this code. Okay, we're going to delete all of this code. So we delete them. All right, so we're going to paste in that code we've copied. So let's go back and copy it again. Okay, we copy. Let's just go back and copy it again. Okay, then we come here to the meta editor here, we click on it, then we paste in our code. Just press Ctrl V here to paste in our code. I can assure you that there won't be any error. So the next thing we do is we click on compile. Yes, now you can see no errors, 0 error, 0 warning. That's it. That is it. So let's test our trading robots. So we click on this arrow here, this icon, this green blue icon. You click on it and then we test our trading robot. We're going to test it to see if it's doing exactly what we want it to do. Okay, we've taken our first trade here. This is our first trade. The market was moving very fast. Okay, so this is the first trade here. This is a bullish and this is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, you can see this bearish candle engulfed this one. Okay, so it took the trade and the stop loss is above and take profit is below, just like we input in the prompt. So let's see how this ends up. Okay, we've taken a loss there. Let's see if we can take more trade. Okay, this is a bullish engulfing candle pattern too. Okay, you can see that we have more like a bullish engulfing candle here, and then it took the trade. Let's check again. Let's see. Nice. So this one ended up in a take profit. Let's see if you're going to take another trade for now. So if you need this trading robot, all you need to do is to send me a DM, and I'm going to send you this trading robot for free. Okay, yeah. So don't forget, if you want to learn how you can do this by yourself, all you need to do is to also send me a DM. I've created a list of courses that are going to guide you on how you can do this by yourself, and then you can master it and then create any of the trading strategy you have, okay, into a trading robot. So yeah, that's just it, guys. So let's take one more trade and let's see how it goes. Okay, we've taken a sell here. Okay, that was a loss. Let's see. Okay, we've taken a buy. You can see that was a very good entry. You can see that after this bullish candle engulfing this bearish candle, it took the buy and then ended up in take profit. So I'm going to send you this trading robot for free. Send me a DM on WhatsApp with the number you will be seeing on the screen to get this trading robot for free. And don't forget to like and also subscribe, turn on post notification, and then yeah, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.